Hello, my name is Professor Idiya Paroji. I am the chairman of the Nigerian American Coalition for Justice and Democracy. We are a US-based pro-democracy, good governance advocacy organization based in Washington, D.C., USA. Thank you very much, for having me to answer some of the questions you sent to me. The first question here is, what I thought about the upcoming end of bad governance in Nigeria protest. And for me, I think anytime we have a platform, an opportunity for Nigerian citizens or citizens anywhere to gather and express, their feelings to their government, we always encourage that, because protest is one tool that is available to the civil society to make their feelings known, to their government, and especially when the government has shown itself to be corrupt, irresponsive, when they do not engage, with the citizens appropriately, effectively, and of course, when their actions or inactions have led to tremendous hardship amongst the citizenry, just like we have seen in Nigeria in the past 7-8 years of the APC governance. We encourage it. All that we request or ask is that this be made or kept peaceful. And this is something that I'm going to talk about a little bit later. In terms of the efficacy of, this protest, like I said, protest is one tool that is available to civil society to make their views known to their government. And we want to believe that this protest will do that, and we hope that all this be handled peacefully. And this is where it becomes very, very important that for once the law enforcement agents take their time, put additional resources in making sure that the protesters are protected, while at the same time the law enforcement ensure or be vigilant to make sure that people who are going to be sent to infiltrate and disrupt the protests are not allowed. In terms of what I expect to be the outcome of this deliberation, if everything goes well like we expect it to go, the protesters have already sent a list of their demands, and we want to make sure, we want to encourage the government to take a look at the list of their demands, and if possible, send out somebody to meet with them, address them, and make sure that their voices are heard. Again, these kind of protests are important in every society, in every democratic environment, to ensure that the views and the feelings of the citizens are properly understood. So on the part of the protesters, we wish you well. We ask you please be peaceful. And on the part of the government, we want to say it is your responsibility to provide guidance, protect the protesters, as well as make sure that you fish out those elements who might want to come and disrupt the protests. I wish everybody well, and we look forward to a very peaceful resolution, and hopefully once this is done, we'll begin to see a resolution of the level of corruption we have in the country. The irresponsiveness of this government will be very much reduced. The hardship on our people will also begin to get attention. So far, I will say thank you, and very safe protest.